Anurag, the students just give one. Fourth time batch 1. Now I am going to continue this slide from here. That is the financial plan for business proposal. It is very important for a finance manager or a financial planner to plan financial planning before any business plan. So while preparing for financial plan, the financial planner has to take something into consideration which are written over here. That is important assumption, risk analysis, break-even analysis, profit and loss statement, cash flow statement, balance sheet. Now from first, that is important assumption. Here important assumption includes the cost assumption, that what are the costs are expected, like lease, rent, or the salary or wages paid to the food staff, etc. And after cost assumption, there is a revenue assumption, that how much revenue the business are expecting within a given time frame and how much growth they are expecting within a fixed period of time. Then after the second point is risk analysis. Risk is very important and crucial for any business. To identify potential risk, it is one of the most important duty. Risk analysis includes that here in this business, restaurant business, the risk may be the changes in customers' tastes and preferences. The changes in a customer's economic condition, like if there is a rise in inflation, their spending or their demanding capability will be decreased, and that will directly hamper our business. Then after break-even analysis, this is done to determine the point where there is no profit or no loss. Or in other words, we can say that the point where the total cost is equal to the total revenue. Then after profit and loss statement is also prepared. This statement is prepared on monthly basis, quarterly, half yearly, or even yearly basis. This statement includes gross profit, cost of goods sold, operating expenses, operating income, net profit, gross profit, etc. Then after cash flow statement. Cash flow statement is a statement which basically deals with the total cash inflow in the business and outflow from the business. Cash flow statement also includes some three important activities, that is financing activities, investing activities, and operating activities. Then after balance sheet is it provides a quick snapshot of the current financial position of the business, like it includes assets, liabilities, capital, fund, etc. Then we move to our next slide, that is sales strategy, and how we are gonna improve our sales. And first, we will hire employees who generally enjoy their work, who are self-motivated and responsible. Then after, we will timely assessing our quality, because it is very important to maintain a same level of quality in our business. So it's time to, we have to find that the food are meeting our set standards or not. Then we will directly interact to the customers for taking their feedback, so that they can understand that their feedback directly goes to the owners of the restaurant. Then after evaluating food choice and popularity, we will make two different lists of most selling items or least selling items, so that we gonna make a strategy accordingly. Then I'll move to our next slide, and that is SWOT analysis, which is very important, crucial for any business plan. It stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Strength here in our business, the clean and orderly environment. The cleanliness and the hygiene environment is very important for our business, because all the customers prefer those restaurants or the shop where there is a hygiene or clean environment. So it's our strength. Affordable pricing, yes, affordable pricing is also our strength, so that our potential customer can spend. Excellent customer services. In our business, we can use a well-dressed staff, having good communication skills, having proper lighting, a good dining area, spotless kitchen. That's all our strengths. And our weakness identify area for improvement. Yes, we will work on that area which is not going well. Then after finding that, we will improve that area. Otherwise, it will be a weakness for our business. Then our quality control. Yes, quality control is also crucial. So because it is important to maintain the same level of quality. It's a challenging task. And then opportunity will be local market. Local market, we will target the nearby market, nearby residents. Then culture events, we can sponsor cultural events like Chhat Puja, Makar Sankranti for promotional purposes. And that could our opportunities. After collaboration, we will collab with small brands or businesses to seek more opportunities. Then after threats, competition is the biggest threat for any business because you have to analyze their offerings, their strategies, so that in future they are not gonna lose. They won't make a loss. Economic factors like rise in inflation, lowering the per capita income. It can also be a threat. Government regulation regarding foods or health sector. There is also regulation. All of us aware that in COVID period that curfew lockdown, how much that hampered businesses like restaurant or others. Then move to our next slide, that is goals and objectives. Our goals and objectives are here: keeping food cost less than 35% of revenue, so that our customer can spend or purchase our services. Provide home delivery service in near future, not from beginning, but after some 1 month or 2 months, we're gonna provide delivery service also. Customer satisfaction, yes, it is very important because it leads to customer loyalty and it create healthy and safe environment. Yes, improve our position in the local market and strengthen our brand. That's our all about goals and objectives. And the last conclusion in this